Premier Tech now offers a digital customer experience through its personalized client portal. Today, we want to give you an overview of its features and benefits. The client portal gives you 24/7 access to your equipment information. It acts as a single point of entry to make your equipment more efficient, showing you a consolidated view of important information for one or multiple plants. Once you log in with your credentials, you will have access to this welcome page. In the middle of it, you will find a search bar where you can enter any equipment, part number, or case for a generic search that would quickly get you to a list of results to choose from. As an example, we can enter a SKU number and search for a specific spare part from your catalog. This will bring you to the part where you can indicate the quantity and directly place it in your cart to complete its purchase or reorder parts in a few seconds. Alternatively, you can go on top to find the first section, which is Equipment. That would give you a menu to choose between Equipment List and Manuals. If we go with the Equipment List, you will have to select your plant first, and then you'll see all your Premier Tech equipment purchased listed, which will include the name, line, serial number, and image. If we go with that first equipment, you will find all the uploaded documents related to it, such as the parts and drawing manuals, the operating and maintenance manuals, and the electrical drawings. Then, if you go down, you will find the Spare Part List tab, which is a list of recommended parts to reduce any downtime of your equipment. You will see the product SKU, drawing number, product name, recommended quantity, module, category, photo, product detail, unit price, and will have the ability to indicate your preferred quantity and then add it to your cart for purchase. The following tab will be Cases, which are the communications exchange between your maintenance team and our team related to that equipment. So this is the place to go. There, you will find the details and messages regarding a particular support case, emails, phone calls, and its resolution if applicable. If you go again on top, you can also access your manuals and diagrams directly from the equipment menu on top. The following section is Support. You can go to Support Cases to see any cases from the past. We'll be able to see them categorized depending on the type of issue. For example, mechanical, electrical, software-related, maintenance, training, etc. This graph at the top will show the summary of the communications from the last 3 months. And you can also access all communications from the past under Support Cases. From this section, you can also contact our 24/7 technical assistance team by clicking on Contact Support, filling out a simple form which will connect you with one of our qualified professionals ready to fulfill your needs and requests. The next section is Ordering Parts. You can now easily order parts directly in your portal by simply selecting needed parts from a new search, a spare parts list, or order history, and adding it to your cart and checking out. If needed, dedicated resources from our Parts Finder team can help you find your part in no time. You will find all the parts listed in this section, their name, SKU number, drawing number, unit of measure, and live price, and can simply indicate your preferred quantity and add it directly to your cart to complete your purchase. Additionally, you can go back in time and check your order history to see what was purchased in the past, what was the cost, date, which could be helpful to track them and have a record. This is an advantage that the client portal provides, having a centralized go-to place for your team members to access valuable information and avoid having to go through emails to search for it. We consider the fact of turnover and people leaving the company may lead to loss of information. So this is the right place where you can keep track of it and that can be used as a reference for any current, previous, or upcoming issues. Finally, if we go to Service, you will find the ability to book or schedule any service visits from our highly qualified technicians and access your visit service report history via the Visits History tab, where you can find any work that was done, the description of the issue, who was on site, and you can also have access to the service report in PDF, so you can see what the site condition was, the scope of the work that was completed, the work that was done, and finally, any recommendations. Also, you can view open support cases and closed cases history to access solution tips and details for your maintenance and management teams. Premier Tech is all about people and technologies making a difference. We continuously search for ways to improve both our equipment and our clients' experience, so that they in turn can be more productive, efficient, and autonomous in their everyday work. The Client Portal is a helpful tool for after-sales services, where your team can have access to spare parts list recommendations, user manuals, diagrams, service reports, order history, any communications exchanged, and a record of how issues were resolved in a centralized and personalized portal. Take advantage of its features and start exploring it today. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our Client Solutions team. We will be happy to assist you and set up some time, if needed, for another walkthrough.